I shall be making a statement on oath as a complainant. The box is called witness box, but there's no, only my statement will be recorded as to why Mr. Chidambaram should be summoned and made a co-accused in this case. I also plan to introduce 3 new documents which will knock out some of the arguments conveniently given to me by Kapil Sibal through a press conference, so that there are no loopholes left. I might also consider, if not today and another occasion, to bring in section 13 bracket 1 to say that Mr. Chidambaram is habitual offender, because we have now many cases against him sprouting out. Already you have seen the FIR matter. Then you have now seen how he ordered an illegal lathi charge on Baba Ramdev. There is a case of the Vedanta mining company. There is a case of Goa import duty alteration, stock market manipulation, participatory notes, fair growth, bringing in money under the volunteer disclosure scheme in the name of his daughter-in-law. So there are many cases. So I would think that perhaps after today's presentation, I would make a mention that I have other cases that I'd like to bring in, but maybe the presentation will wait, depending on the order of the judge today. Either he can give me my request to summon the 2 witnesses, or he may reserve orders and delay. Already been filed. The letters exchange between the 2.
Yes.
And letter exchange between the Prime Minister and Mr. Chidambaram. The meeting that took place between Raja and Chidambaram, 4 meetings and their minutes, all these have got, and I have filed them already. And I'll be referring to them in my presentation.